Hi, this is James from Student at Home. Let me ask you a question. All hard drives fail eventually. Would you be okay if yours stopped working right now and you were unable to access your files? If you answered no, then luckily, as with most things, there is a solution to the problem, and that is to create a duplicate copy of your important files, so that when your computer does fail, you're prepared. There are a number of different options you have, ranging from solutions that back up just a few select files in one folder to ones that back up any selection of your folders, such as your My Documents and My Music folders, all the way to complete solutions that restore your computer back to exactly how it was before by taking snapshots of your computer as it is now. Let me demonstrate now a piece of software that I've been using for the past 3 or 4 years and is hugely popular. It's Dropbox. And although not strictly backup software, because it was intended originally to sync files between different computers, it does store a copy of your files in the cloud, so crucially there is always another copy if one of your computers breaks. Dropbox puts a folder on your computer next to your My Downloads, My Music, My Pictures and My Documents folders, and every folder and file in here is backed up online. And I can prove that by going into Internet Explorer to dropbox.com. And you can see here, I have all the same folders. So the backups folder, you can see here, backups, camera uploads, computer science, and all the folders are normal Windows folders that you can do everything with that you're used to, but they also have a tick next to them to show that they're synchronized. And if you change them, say I renamed this file, then you can see it changes into a blue kind of circle which indicates that it's synchronizing, and it will change back to a tick like that when it's synchronized. And all those files are inside the Backups online interface. I'm now going to show you the website of a backup company called Acronis. So I'm going to go to acronis.co.uk, and Acronis, here we go, and their product is for home and office, TrueImage Home 13 by Acronis. And so Acronis is an example of a complete backup solution. It can do constant or non-stop backups, and it can do scheduled backups and image backups, which, as I mentioned earlier, allows you to restore your computer back to exactly how it was before it broke. And you can also subscribe to online backups for £4 a month. So this might be an option if you want a complete backup solution that does absolutely everything that a backup solution can. And this will cost you £40 for one computer or £60 for 3 computers, though getting cloud storage will cost you more. It's £4 a month. Okay, so I'm now going to show you CrashPlan, which is my favourite free backup software that has a paid version too, which enables online backups and removes adverts. So the interface is very simple, and there's only a few steps. The first thing is to choose a destination. So you can back up to a friend's computer, you can back up another computer in your house, you can back up to online into the cloud, which requires a paid subscription, or what I've done is set up a folder, and I've chosen a folder called My CrashPlan Backup Folder, and that's on my D drive. So once you've set up a destination, somewhere where you're going to put your backup, then you can leave it and it'll back up automatically. But what I'm going to do is go to Backup and click Start Backup. Okay, and so it's now backing up. So even as it says, when I exit or log off, the backup engine is running. So this software backs up every 15 minutes, so you're never going to lose a large amount of your files, and this is what I like about it so much. And you can tweak the settings in the settings section here and choose how often it's going to run if you want. So yes, every 15 minutes it's going to make a new version, and you can choose which versions it's going to keep. So from previous years it's going to keep one backup from every month. So this was an overview of CrashPlan, which, as I said, it's my favourite free backup software. Okay, so that was an overview of some of your backup options. Of course, these all require you to purchase somewhere to back up your files to, and so you'll probably want a USB external hard drive for that, which you can get from any electronics store, and they're not too expensive. If you'd like further advice on which type of backup is more suitable for you, or if you want help setting up an automated backup, then we're more than happy to help. Visit studentathome.co.uk to book an appointment today with one of our friendly student technicians.